iLIVING Outdoor Oscillating High-Velocity Wall Fan. Check the contents in the package before assembly. Attach the oscillating knob into the square shaft with screw. Pay attention to the square hole of oscillating knob should be fully set into the square shaft. Installation dimensions on the bracket base. Attach the bracket base mounting to strong wall with expansion bolt. Hang the wall mounting bracket upward onto the bracket base. Make sure the holes align to ensure a secure connection. Assembling the knob to mounting bracket, tighten firmly. Remove the position screw on the side. Install supporting connector of the fan motor on the wall mounting bracket with pivot bolt and position screw. Secure with washer, spring washer and nut, tighten firmly. Remove the 4 outer screws, washer and lock nuts. Install the rear fan guard. Position the silver screw on the bottom side. Secure with 4 screws. Install the screw on the blade. Do not screw in all the way until fitting the blade onto the shaft. Find the set screw flat on the shaft. Position the blade with the screw on the back and tighten the screw on the set screw flat. Remove the silver screw on the rear guard. Open all 4 retaining latches on the ring of the front guard. Locate the hook on top of the front guard. Align the front guard hook with a radial spoke on the rear guard and snap it into place. Close all the retaining latches. Secure the guard with the screw on the bottom. Assembly has completed, the fan is ready for operation. Pull the chain to cycle through the speeds: low, medium, high and off. Press down on the oscillation knob to engage the automatic fan rotation. Pull up on the oscillation knob to disengage the fan's rotation. The assembly tutorial is complete. Thank you for watching.